All right, here we are, guys. We are going to chat 5 minutes or less all about eyeliner, and we are going to talk specifically about the consistencies of eyeliners because there's so many different consistencies out there, right? You can go and get eyeliner pencils, you can get eyeliner felt tip pens, you can get liquid liners, there's gel liners, you guys, there's glider twist up kind of eyeliner pencils. There's so many, right? So let's dive a little bit deeper into what each of them are best at, because they do have different techniques used in order to get them used up to their highest level that they can. So we are going to talk a little bit about pencils first. Now, there's a bunch of types of pencils out there. There is waterproof eyeliner pencils. There's glider pencils, which are not that one, like this, and you twist them up. Now, my preference, I do like both. I do use both. But when it comes to preference between the two, I like a normal eyeliner pencil because you can sharpen it and get that pencil nice and precise and sharp so that you can use it exactly where you need to place it and not have to worry about any mix-ups or dullness that sometimes those glider pencils may get. But either works. Both are fantastic products. Then moving on, I like to do a technique called tight lining. Tight lining is when you take your pencil, whether it's the glider or the regular eyeliner pencils, and you bring that product underneath your eye. Most of us were taught when we learned how to do eyeliner is to put it on top. I'm sure if any of you guys are around the same age as me, you guys are very familiar with the metallic, sparkly icing or Claire's eyeliner that was out there. I'm guilty. I wore it. I rocked it out. I loved it. But there is a different way of doing our eyeliner. So you can tight line, which means taking that pencil and going underneath, which kind of just, I feel like, creates a completed eyeliner look because it kind of goes in with your bottom liner as well. Now, I am no eyeliner professional, but I have done a ton of work in makeup and learning so many different techniques, and these are the techniques that I feel like are simple and easy and anybody can do them. So moving on from pencils, now we're going to talk liquid. I love liquid eyeliners because you get to create some fun wings, whether you want a smaller, everyday, medium-sized wing, or you want to go all glammed out and do a awesome, fantastic, massive wing. Preference is everything. Now, I will recommend for people that want to learn winged eyeliner, the best place to start is with a felt tip ink pen because you can use it and be more precise with where you apply it. You can have a little bit of a shaky hand because in the beginning, when we're first learning, that's going to happen and that's okay. But the more you keep at it, the more you practice it, the better you will get. I promise you that. So using a pen, ink pen liner that has the felt tip pen will allow you to kind of manipulate the product and place it more where you want it to go. Whereas when using a liquid liner, you have to be a little bit more steadier. You have to be a little bit more cleaner with how you use it. Now, you don't be intimidated because it's not intimidating the more you practice it. So you can do a couple different techniques, which I do teach in my course. So if you guys are interested in different techniques on how to do a winged eyeliner, you let me know. I will get you hooked up. But there's different techniques, whether you start it in the middle, you start it in the back, as well as, you guys, I think the majority of us has these products lying around our house that we can use to help with our winged eyeliner. Do you have some tape? Do you have a floss stick? Do you have a bobby pin? Or do you have a piece of paper? All of these tools can really help your winged eyeliner look. And I will show you exactly how to use those products right now.